Hello, Ndewo. Welcome to igboclass.com. In today's video, I bring you yet another interesting video. Today we'll be talking about Igbo simple sentences. Igbo simple sentences. Whether you're a beginner or someone just curious to learn more about the Igbo language, you are at the right stop. So join me as we walk down 23 sentences that I have for you today. Kanyi video, let's begin. The first on our list is Kedu aha gi? Kedu aha gi? Which means what is your name? What is your name? Now this is the first thing someone asks. This is the first statement from a person you're meeting for the first time. Kedu aha gi? If someone wants to know more about you, the person asks, Kedu aha gi? Kedu aha gi? Also, if you want to know about someone, you met the person for the first time, and you want to know more about the person, how do you inquire about the person's name? You simply say, Kedu aha gi? Kedu aha gi? Kedu for what? Aha, name, gi, your. Kedu aha gi? What is your name? And if the question is being thrown to you, how do you respond? Ahambo, you say your name. Ahambo, then you say your name. You simply say Ahambo Chiamaka, which means my name is Chiamaka. Ahambo Victor, which means my name is Victor. Ahambo Precious, which means my name is Precious. Oya kwoya, say it and put your name. Ahambo. Again, Ahambo. Correct. Ahambo, which means my name is. Then after introducing yourself, saying your name, you also go further to tell the person where you are from, which is Abum onye Enugu, Abum onye Imo, Abum onye Anambra, Abum onye Abia, Abum onye Ebonyi, which means I am from Imo, I am from Anambra, I am from Enugu, as the case may be. Abum onye, telling us where you are from. Abum onye Abia, I am from Abia. Kedu ihe ikwuru? Kedu ihe ikwuru? You use this when you didn't hear correctly what a person said. Instead of doing or you simply say Kedu ihe ikwuru? Kedu ihe ikwuru? Which means what did you say? Kedu ihe ikwuru? What did you say? Instead of doing you simply say Kedu ihe ikwuru, which means what did you say? Then the person has to repeat what he or she said. Kedu ihe ikwuru? What did you say? Then we have iwetere ya. Iwetere ya, which means you got it. Iwetere ya, you got it. Now, after pronouncing and you want to acknowledge yourself, you want to applaud yourself for getting it, you tell yourself, Iwetere ya, meaning I got it. Iwetere ya. Iwetere ya. You're solving maths. You're solving mathematics and you got the answer. What do you tell yourself? Eweterem ya. Now, Iwetere ya is for another person, telling another person. Why telling yourself is now eweterem ya. The pronoun for yourself. Eweterem ya. Iwetere ya. You asked your sister to solve a math problem and she got it. How do you applaud her? Iwetere ya. Iwetere ya. You can also applaud her by ikuru ya aka. You clap for her. ịkụ aka. I wetere ya, you got it. We move over to the next one. Ekwetaghị m, which simply means I disagree. I disagree. Instead of going into an argument, shouting and all, just simply say ekwetaghị, which means I disagree. Ekwetaghị, I disagree. Someone comes up to you and tell you that the sky is yellow. Instead of who told you that? Simply say I disagree, which means ekwetaghị. You disagree with what the person said. The sky is not yellow. The sky is blue. Ekwetaghị, I disagree. Ekwetaghị, I disagree. The next one is echegbula onwe gị. Don't worry. Echegbula onwe gị. Don't worry. Don't worry. You are in a difficult situation and you don't know where help will come from. Don't worry. Echegbula onwe gị. God is your strength. Chineke bụ ike gị. Don't worry. Echegbula onwe gị. You're thinking of solution and all that. Echegbula onwe gị, which simply means don't worry. Echegbula onwe gị, don't worry. Your mommy comes back from the market and she's tired, she has to cook, she has to put things in order and all that. You simply tell her, Nne, echegbula onwe gị, aga m enyere gị aka, which means, Mommy, don't worry, I will help you. Nne, echegbula onwe gị. Mommy, don't worry. Echegbula onwe gị. Don't worry. Onye na-ekwu, which means who is speaking? Onye na-ekwu, who is speaking? You're on the phone, but you don't know who is speaking. You don't know who you're talking to. How do you call the attention of the person? For the person to say or to call out his or her name, you simply say, Onye na-ekwu, who is speaking. Now you're hearing voices, but you can't really say that this voice is for this person, that this is the person speaking. You simply, what do you do? What do you say? You simply say, Onye na-ekwu, which means who is speaking. Who is speaking. Who is speaking. Now, if the question is being addressed to you, what do you say? Ọ bụ m na-ekwu. I am the one speaking. I am the one speaking. So the question is, Onye na-ekwu. Your response should be, Ọ bụ m na-ekwu. Ọ bụ m na-ekwu. Onye na-ekwu. Ọ bụ m na-ekwu. I am the one speaking. Then we have, Kedu ihe ị chọrọ ime? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ ime? Kedu for what? Ihe, what do you? Ị chọrọ, you want to. You want to. Ime, do. Want for chọrọ. Kedu ihe ị chọrọ ime? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? This question is usually asked when someone is confused on the exact thing you want to do. What do you want to do? You have to play, to wash the plate, to read your books. What exactly do you want to do? What do you want to do? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ ime? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ ime? We have so many options for you to choose from. That is when you have so many options for you to choose from. Kedu ihe ị chọrọ ime? What do you want to do? Now, from the options, you might have to play, to cook, to dance, and so on. For you choosing to cook, achọrọ m isi nri. Achọrọ m isi nri. Like we said that chọrọ is want. Here, bringing back the chọrọ. Achọrọ m isi nri. I want to cook. I want to cook. Achọrọ m isi nri. Achọrọ m, I want. Achọrọ m, I want. Isi nri, to cook. Isi nri, to cook. Achọrọ m, I want. Isi nri, to cook. So you can remove this isi nri and add another verb like ịgba egwu, that is to dance. If you want to dance, you would say achọrọ m ịgba egwu. Achọrọ m ịgba egwu. If you want to read, you remove the isi nri and add ịgụ akwụkwọ, that is to read. Achọrọ m ịgụ akwụkwọ. Achọrọ m ịgụ akwụkwọ. I want to read. But here we have I want to cook, which is achọrọ m isi nri. Then we move over to agụụ na-agụ m. Agụụ na-agụ m. Agụụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. Oh, agụụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. Onye chọrọ isi nri bụ onye agụụ na-agụ. Ya, agụụ na-agụ gị, ime gịnị? Isie nri. Agụụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. Agụụ for hunger. Na-agụ m, telling us that it's for you. I am hungry. I am hungry. If you want to say that somebody is hungry, your sister is hungry. Agụụ na-agụ nwanne m nwanyị. It's no longer m, that is for you, but the person who is hungry. Agụụ na-agụ nne m, for my mother. Agụụ na-agụ nna m, that is my father is hungry, no longer you. Agụụ na-agụ enyi m, my friend is hungry, no longer you, but you're not referring to another person. Agụụ na-agụ m, I am hungry. Agụụ na-agụ nna m, my father is hungry. Agụụ na-agụ nne m, removing the m to nne m, telling us that you're no longer the one hungry, but your mother is hungry. Agụụ na-agụ nne m, my mother is hungry. Now for drinks, for drinking water, hunger is for food, right? Then how do you express that you are thirsty? How do you say that you are thirsty in the Igbo language? Akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. Akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. That is, I am thirsty. Or you can also say mmiri na-agụ m. Mmiri na-agụ m. Mmiri na-agụ m. I am thirsty. Akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. Akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. I am thirsty. Mmiri for water. Na-agụ m, that is, water is hungering me. The literal meaning is water is hungering me. That is, I am thirsty. Nne m gara ahịa. That's the next sentence that we have. Nne m gara ahịa. Nne m for my mother. Gara. Gara is a past tense. Went. Ahịa, market. Nne m gara ahịa. My mother went to the market. My mother went to the market. Victor, where did your mother go to? My mother went to the market. Victor, kedu ebe nne gị gara? Nne m gara ahịa. Chibueze, kedu ebe nne gị gara? Nne m gara ahịa. Nne m gara ahịa. My mother went to the market. You can come back from school and you can't find your mommy at home. You assume that she went to the market because earlier that day she said that she'll be going to the market. How do you express that your mother went to the market? Nne m gara ahịa. Nne m gara ahịa. My mother went to the market. Ahịa for market. Gara, went. Nne m, my mother. Then if you are to put this sentence, removing my mother to my father. My father went to the market. What would it be? You simply change the name to what? Nnam, which means My father. Nna m gara ahịa. My father went to the market. Now, she went to the market and bought new clothes for you. She bought new clothes for you. How do you express that your mommy bought new clothes for you? Ọ zụtara akwa ọhụrụ. Ọ zụtara akwa ọhụrụ. Ọ zụtara akwa ọhụrụ. Or for the pronoun he or she. But here we are referring to the mother who went to the market. Ọ zụtara bought akwa ọhụrụ, new clothes. Akwa ọhụrụ, new clothes. So here we have cloth and new. Ọhụrụ is new. Ọhụrụ is what? New. Akwa, cloth. Zụtara, bought. Or for the pronoun she. Ọ zụtara akwa ọhụrụ. She bought new clothes. Ọ zụtara akwa ọhụrụ. She bought new clothes. Ọ zụtara okpu ọhụrụ. Ọ zụtara okpu ọhụrụ. Now, okpu is cap, which means she bought new cap. Ọ zụtara okpu ọhụrụ. She bought new cap. The next sentence is Ana m eri nri. Ana m eri nri. I am eating. Ana m eri nri. So technically, nri is food. Nri, food. Ana m eri nri. I am eating. Kedu ihe ị na-eme? Ana m eri nri. What are you doing? I am eating. Kedu ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? Your response while eating is Ana m eri nri. I am eating. Kedu ihe ị na-eri? That if the person wants to know more about what you're eating, he or she will ask, Kedu ihe ị na-eri? Then your response should be, Ana m eri. No longer food. Ana m eri ji. You put down the word, the name of the food that you're eating. You put down the name of the food you're eating. Ana m eri ji. Ana m eri osikapa. Ana m eri agwa, as the case may be. Ana m eri nri. Generally, I am eating. I am eating. The next one is Bịa n'ụlọ anyị. Bịa n'ụlọ anyị, which means come to our house. Come to our house. This is an invitation to a friend, a family member, or someone you love. How do you tell the person to come to your house? Bịa n'ụlọ anyị. That is, if the house is not specifically for you, if you're not living alone, you're living with someone or you're living with your family members. Bịa n'ụlọ anyị. Come to our house. But if you are living alone, it will be Bịa n'ụlọ m. The anyị, which means for collective, anyị will now change to m, telling us that it is you. Bịa n'ụlọ m for come to my house. Bịa n'ụlọ anyị, come to our house. House, ụlọ, bịa, come, bịa, come. Bịa n'ụlọ anyị, come to our house. Bịa n'ụlọ m, come to my house. We have ka anyị gbaa egwu. Ka anyị gbaa egwu. Now you've invited someone over to your house and it's now time for you to dance, time for you to shake the body. What do you tell the person? Ka anyị gbaa egwu, which means let us dance. Ka anyị gbaa egwu, let us dance. If you're singing, if you want to sing, it should be Ka anyị gụọ egwu. Ka anyị gụọ egwu, which means let us sing. Ka anyị gbaa egwu, let us dance. Ka anyị gụọ egwu, let us sing. Even in church, it is praises section. How do you tell people? Maybe you're the lead singer How do you tell people to put on their dancing shoes that it's time for you to dance? You simply say, Ka anyị gbaa egwu, let us dance. You can also add Chineke, telling us that you're dancing for God. Ka anyị gbara Chineke egwu, let us dance for God. Ka anyị gbaa egwu, let us dance. The next one is mmiri na-ezo. Mmiri na-ezo. It is raining. Mmiri na-ezo. It is raining. Mmiri for water. Mmiri is water. Na-ezo means when something is pouring. When something is pouring. So when water is pouring from the sky, it is raining. Mmiri na-ezo. It is raining. After raining, what comes? The sun starts shining. How do you say that the sun is shining? You simply say, Anwụ na-acha. Anwụ na-acha, which means the sun is shining. The sun is shining. Anwụ na-acha. Anwụ for the sun. Anwụ na-acha. The sun is shining. Mmiri na-ezo. It is raining. Kpọọ m echi. Kpọọ m echi. Call me tomorrow. Kpọọ m echi. Call me tomorrow. Kpọọ m for call me. Echi, tomorrow. Kpọọ m echi. Call me tomorrow. Now let's put it in a conversational form. We have somebody called you on the phone and asked you to come over to the house. What will the person say? What is the person expected to say? Bịa n'ụlọ anyị. Bịa n'ụlọ anyị. And you find out that it's raining and you can't go. What do you tell the person? Mmiri na-ezo. Mmiri na-ezo. Then, furthermore, you tell the person that the person should call you tomorrow. Maybe the sun will be shining. Kpọọ m echi. That means, call me tomorrow. Kpọọ m echi. Anwụ ga-acha. Now, anwụ na-acha is telling us that the sun is shining presently. But anwụ ga-acha is telling us that the sun will. Will is a future tense. The sun will shine. The next one is nyere m aka. Nyere m aka, which means help me. Nyere m aka, help me. You're washing, you're doing the dishes, and you need help. You call onto your siblings and tell them, nyere m aka, help me. Nyere m aka, help me. You're finding things difficult to achieve a particular thing. You reach out to people. Don't die in silence. It is not good to die in silence. Don't die in silence. Speak out. What do you say? Nyere m aka, help me. Nyere m aka, help me. Nyere m aka sie nri. Help me prepare the meal. Nyere m aka saa efere. Help me do the dishes. Then the last but not the least is ana m atụ anya gị. Ana m atụ anya gị, which means I hope to see you. I hope to see you. You can use this for a person that you've seen. The last time that you saw the person was a very long time ago. Or you are actually expecting to see the person. You've not seen the person before. You're expecting to see the person for the first time. Ana m atụ anya gị. Ana m atụ anya gị. I hope to see you. Now I'm telling you, my dear listener, ana m atụ anya gị. Ana m atụ anya gị. I hope to see you. Not physically, but I hope to see you in our next video. Ana m atụ anya ịhụ gị n'ihe nkiri anyị ọzọ. I hope to see you in our next video. This brings us to the end of our video today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Till I come your way again, I am Teacher Chiamaka Nodumma. Bye. Kemesia.